alive, can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious, release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blow me, that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be speaking this.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Mata Media Nusantara ngevlog di Gunung Maras. Itu di belakang kita, Gunung Maras, gunung tertinggi di Kepulauan Bangka-Belitung dan gunung satu-satunya, teman-teman. Jadi ini nanti kalau yang nggak mau dari depan jalan kaki bisa masukin motor ke sini tempatnya. Gunungnya oke punya. Tetap ikutin vlog kita dan jangan lupa teman-teman ya buat like, share, subscribe channel kita agar teman-teman semuanya tetap update tentang wisata Kepulauan Bangka-Belitung, kuliner, serta tutorial make up ataupun kecantikan. Kayak pos 7 gitu. Nah, ini pos pertama, udah ada air terjunnya.
Ada orang mana?
Nah, ini ada kawan-kawan yang bakal mendaki ke puncak dan mereka itu ngecamp di sana.
Bro, apa bro? Tapi bro.
Ya. Siap. Wow. Amazing kan? Wah teman-teman, Iban Kak turun. berada di Kepulauan Bangka-Belitung, jangan nggak nyoba untuk mandi air terjun Gunung Maras. Jadi dia di Riau Silip, bisa jalan dari arah jalan mentok ataupun jalan Ngaliat kemudian Belingu. Kalau dari Pangkal Pinang itu nggak jauh, sekitar 1,5 jam perjalanan udah nyampe ke sini.
Halo? Oke. Masa tak ngaca. Memang kau ni lemah katanya. Kau nak jadi batu cincin.
Alhamdulillah sih sekarang cuacanya tadi mendung dan sekarang udah panas. Cocok lah ya buat kita mandi. Gibran. Ini aksesnya itu mudah dan juga kalau untuk anak-anak aman mandinya, banyak bebatuan juga, jadi aman. Dingin banget airnya.
everything I've learned, but it's really complicated. What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting storms in my head, don't know where I've been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. This shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the night. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind and see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the night. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.